Have you ever had a day where it feels like money is just slipping through your fingers? Well, today is one of those days. We are in week 11 of this project right now with a projected profit of $75,000. And every day, every dollar counts. We really need to stay on timeline and budget with this project. But we hit a snag. The tile that we ordered has not gotten here. And if we don't get it today, the tile guys are gonna leave. And if they leave, they may not be back for 2 weeks, maybe even a month. And 2 weeks alone is gonna cost us $2,500 in holding costs. So this is a pretty big problem. So I picked out this terracotta tile. It's absolutely beautiful. It's gonna be a huge statement piece when you walk into the home. I've been really excited about using this terracotta tile. We ordered it weeks ago and it was supposed to have already been here last week, but it didn't arrive. There's some issue with the shipping. I spoke with the manager of the store and last week said it would be here by yesterday. Still don't know anything about it, where the tracking is, nothing. And we have to have this tile today because like I said, those tile guys, they're ready to go. And if I hold them up, that means I'm just throwing money out the door. So I've got to figure out a solution. I just remembered that as a backup plan, I have a tile picked out at a local store, Floor and Decor. So I'm gonna give them a call and see if they still have it. This is in stock tile, so it really shouldn't be an issue. I'm gonna give them a call.
Thanks for calling Floor and Decor in North Charleston. For questions about an existing order, press 1. For questions about product, press 2. If you're
Hi, yes, I'm calling to see if you have a certain tile in stock today. Are you ready? The SKU number is 1008. I know you usually have this in stock, so I'm really hoping you don't. You don't? Oh man. That didn't work out. So I guess we need to find another solution to this because that other tile I had picked out that's always in stock is not in stock. So gotta figure this out. I'm actually on hold with our project manager, Krista, right now, seeing if she can help us figure out a solution, or maybe she knows of an in-stock tile that would look good with the design. Hey, yeah, so that terracotta tile, the one that I've been dreaming about putting in that bathroom, it is not gonna be here. They don't know when it's gonna arrive. They have no tracking information. I don't even think it's shipped yet. I know that guys need tile today, and I did have a backup at Floor and Decor, and they just said they're completely out of stock in that, and they always are in stock. So I'm not really sure what to do here. Yes, actually, that's a great idea. I completely forgot that we had that tile there. Yeah, and we did the white surround, so that's not gonna compete or anything. Yeah, that's perfect. That'll be a good show piece in that space. Well, hey, okay, so when do because I actually took that tile back, it's in the back seat of my car. I'm like 30 minutes away. How long are the guys gonna be there still? When do I need to get that there by? Okay, cool. I am gonna leave right now and get that tile to them. Thank you, bye. I found this guy here to help me out, so take my camera while I drive. Here. Luckily, the tile's already in the car, so we can just rock and roll. There's no slow Sallies on the road today. They needed the tile by 3 o'clock today. Right now it's 2:15. It takes about 30 minutes to get there, and that's just dependent on traffic. So if we hit some slow traffic or anything, it could mess us up. But they were very specific about having it by that time, or else they were walking away. So we gotta go. I'm gonna take a different way. Try to get out these slow pokes. At least this way it's got 2-lane roads that can pass. Right now, so we're getting ready to pull up, and yeah, hopefully all this looks the way we hope it's gonna look. this. So like that way. And some pieces are made to go, like it's made to go that way. So I can grab a couple more. Oops, sorry. Yep. Yes. Yep, exactly. Yep. Okay, good. And for the niche now, oh, yep, okay, perfect. All right, the inside in the niche, sometimes we do a different, like the tile from the floor, we pull it in there, but this wouldn't look right in there, so we just did white. That bathroom floor is gonna be awesome when you walk in here, because we're gonna have an accent wall, and that, oh my God. I think that was actually the best choice at the end of the day for this bathroom, and I'm really excited about it. All right, we're back. It all worked out. Traffic wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but hey, this is just another day in real estate. Obviously, I was panicking a little bit because it costs us around $1,200 a week in holding costs, so just a couple weeks off can really start to blow the budget up just in that alone. So we're very conscious of that. No matter what business you're in, you're gonna be dealing with stuff like this. You're gonna get curveballs thrown at you all day long, even if you have a regular job. It's just how life goes. So what are you gonna do? Quit? You gotta love it, lean into it, and yeah, just enjoy the ride. But we definitely saved ourselves some money on this one. Got the tile there in time, and we're gonna be going back to check it out once it's all installed. And honestly, I can't wait to see it. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to check out what the tile looks like, or just hang around with us and see what we have going on. And we'll see you later.